Okay, so it's time for a short breakfast ride so that I can try out the mic and let you know whether Insta360 mic is good enough on the roads and whether it is a good motor vlogging setup. So stay tuned. Okay, so it's all connected now. So let's start. Let's see if it can overcome the noise and whether it gives a good outcome. Stop recording. So basically it is the Insta360 X4 is also capturing the voice commands like start recording and stop recording. So I don't have to bother a lot. So with mic it is actually serving the purpose. Let's see. I'll show you in some traffic conditions also. Of course it's morning, so there won't be a lot of traffic, but and I'll not be going into the city. I don't like going into the city for a ride, so probably we'll go somewhere countryside. Let's see. Stop recording. Stop recording. I'm not sure about the noise cancellation and the wind and the bike noise, so we are going to test out that only. I'm not going that far. Oh, there is a police van behind me. It is taking the noise of the vehicles as well. I mean, you would be the better judge, so let me know. So we are going to try it out a little faster now and let's see how the performance is. I mean, not that fast, but yeah, of course there is wind noise and there are a lot of vehicles out there on the Nice road. So yeah, I said stop recording. Stop recording. No, now it is not taking the command. I don't know why, but I think I can do it from here as well. So in case if it doesn't take the command, I don't have to go till the camera and start it or something. I can switch it on and switch it off right from the mic as well. So basically Insta360 mic is compatible with X4 and X5. So previously it was only compatible with X5, so I waited for long and then it got compatible. So that's when I had ordered my first mic, and since I lost it in Kedarnath, I got another mic. You can see people coming for cycling. Even then, peaceful place to pay the toll and then go, and that becomes quite boring, but they feel it. There is another idli auntie. I call her idli auntie because she serves nice idlis here. We don't prefer big restaurants. There is no feel, nice countryside road, and since I was late, there was already a lot of traffic, and oh my god, why are dogs running? You can switch on the camera right from your mic also on the in one click, and otherwise when you switch on the camera it takes 5 seconds to connect. Not really sure how the video is getting captured. Basically I am here to test the noise cancellation and how it captures the wind noise, whether it cancels the wind noise. So probably this is how it is. So if you are thinking for a motor vlogging option, these are the results. So you can definitely think about it. So there were a lot of queries to me whether you should go for a GoPro or Insta360. I would say Insta360 does a versatile job capturing all the angles, and it's a very easy to edit. Of course, you need some patience in the initial time, but then it does have AI functionality which does the editing for you. So most of my videos I edited through the AI functionality too, so that I don't have to take any extra efforts. So in my Ladakh trip, I had used the C30 headset because the mic is inside. Of course, there was no wind noise, and it did an amazing job. But when it comes to connectivity, it is not 100% compatible. So every time you want to shoot, you have to connect it and then shoot. So definitely that is not a good option. That is why I had to switch to Insta360 mic Air, and I'm not sure because the mic is outside. I'm not sure whether it's doing a great job. So we are soon going to find it out.